Hello, so today we are going to be stancing my car. No, not really, but okay, so today we are going to Long Island, New York, driving the M3, because funnest thing ever. Yeah, we're taking this thing to Long Island with Dan too. Dan wanted to take his S13. I don't know why, but that's what I love about him. He drives unreliable cars really far. It's gonna be 2 hours one way and 2 hours back. Probably more, 3 hours back, because traffic in New York. But yeah, we're gonna see this kit. This is the kit I told you guys about. Well, I didn't tell you, but I pinned it as a comment on my last video, which is the side exit finishing. And yeah, I mean, it looks really good. So we're gonna go see it in person. Talk out business and stuff about me purchasing the kit, which I'll probably get in like the next month, if not less, who knows. But I am already selling this kit off this car. I might have a buyer. I'm waiting for tomorrow for him to let me know if he wants it or not, if I'm going to be shipping it. So that's good. Yeah, now cute 2 hours of driving, which I'm not looking forward to, but whatever. I hate New York. Oh, mama. You don't leak anything though. I said in the video, I love you because you're the only person I've ever seen that drives unreliable cars far distances. I mean, I drove my S13 or S14. Oh, you finally got a clamp. Okay, I was gonna say that. I was like, dude, we're not going to New York until you put a clamp on. It looks like a construction clamp of some kind.
It literally is. I got it at like item.
It works. It doesn't matter. It's just rubber.
That's what I said.
As long as it doesn't warp under heat.
Yeah.
The sound is about to come out of my car. Just saying. See, can't you picture that coming from my car? guys think of the kit. Sorry, we're driving home and that's why my face keeps lighting up and not lighting up because of the lights. We have a 2-hour drive ahead. It's 9:30 p.m. so we'll be getting home a little late. But it's okay, it was worth it. It was a really good day. Turned out a lot better than I thought. You know, we talked things and stuff and kind of talked about how he could, you know, sell the kits also more commercially and what he could do better than other kit brands that I've dealt with and stuff, you know, because sometimes it feels like they're rushed and they're not as good as they can be. So that's what we mainly talked about, and the kit too. I love it. It absolutely looks even better in person than it does in pictures, honestly. Like, I was wowed by the pictures, but like just seeing it in person is like absolutely everything I wanted for this car to look like. Like when it first came to my mind, like it's so perfect. So I really can't wait. I'm 100% going through with that. So, you know, fear not. It'll have everything: the bumper, the flares, the wing, the side exits. It's gonna be all there. You know. Hi. He's recording me too. Yeah, his car runs great. It's really fast. Hi. Hi, Dan. But yeah. Thanks so much for watching. And I'm so glad that this is getting better. I just realized his bumper's like falling off, so I'm trying to signal him, Dad, your bumper's falling off! Ah, we have to pull over. Yeah, this is what we have to deal with. I was literally recording an outro and I'm like, wait, and I just stopped as I saw your bumper dragging. Like, wait, we have to pull over.
Yeah, we ain't getting this on camera.
We're back on the road and all good. So anyways, as I was saying before you interrupted me, thank you so much for watching. I'm so grateful of how much we've been growing.